Welcome back to another Juicy Jazz video. Today we're going to be covering the best strategy to win 90% of your Liar's Bar games. As you can see with this hand, we have 3 playable cards. There's 2 options you can do here. You can either play the long game and place 1 playable card and wait for someone to call out either you or someone else, or there's option 2, which works when there's less people on the table. If you're feeling gutsy, you can straight up lie and place 2 non-playable cards. Then your next turn comes around, you can place 3 playable cards and you're safe for that round. With this hand here, we have 2 playable cards, and there's 2 options again. You can play the long game and play 1 playable card, or if you're feeling bold, you can place 3 non-playable cards, then place your 2 playable cards on your next turn and be safe. Now we have the hardest hand to play. This one has 0 playable cards. On this hand, you want to be trying to find the liar and also playing it low, placing 1 card and hoping that someone calls someone else out. This hand here is the easiest to play. You can either get rid of your non-playable card or play the long game, placing 1 card each turn, as someone will run out of cards before you, which is why this one's the best option. And finally, the last hand, with just 1 playable card. This hand, you either want to play a big bluff of 3, then place your playable card afterwards, or do the same as if you had no playable cards and search for the liar. This has been all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you found this useful, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.